Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lock Tesla Model Y. Use the touchscreen lock icon and controls menu to lock all doors immediately, or press the key fob trunk button as an alternate method. Confirm locking by listening for the chirp and watching indicator lights, and enable walk-away lock in settings for automatic locking when you walk away from the car for consistent security. There are several ways to lock your Tesla Model Y, depending on convenience and security. Phone Key offers seamless locking when you walk away, while key card and key fob provide backup access. For extra security, enable PIN to drive and adjust auto lock delay to your preference. I'll explain which option fits common routines and how to switch between methods quickly, so you can lock confidently every time you leave the car. If your Tesla Model Y won't lock, try quick fixes before a service visit. Restart your phone's Bluetooth and reopen the Tesla app to restore phone key function, and replace the key fob battery if remote buttons are unresponsive. Verify the car's software is up to date because updates can fix lock behavior. If problems persist, remove and reassign keys in the vehicle settings or contact support for guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.